In this video tutorial, I'm going to share to you on how you can fix cannot print a file. It opens as save as instead on Windows computer or on your Windows 11 computer. So let's get started. So click on the start button and click on the settings icon. Now from the list of options on the left pane, click on system. Scroll down and you have to click on troubleshoot. Click on other troubleshooters. Now here you have to look for printer with the run button corresponding to it. So run the printer troubleshooter. Now what that will do is that will help you detect and spot any issue or problem that you are facing with it. And aside from that, this will also give you suggestions and recommendations to fix the issue and will also automatically fix the issue for you. So simply run the troubleshooter, and after doing so and the problem has been fixed, you just need to restart your Windows once. Right click at the start button, shut down or sign out, and click on the restart button. So if this video is valuable, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel so that we can produce more useful videos and tutorials for you. Next method is you have to go ahead in the Windows search bar and type control panel. Click on control panel under the best match. Now you need to view this into category. So here you have to click on view devices and printers, that is under hardware and sound. And then you have to click on view more devices and then scroll down. And here you can find this option, more devices and printer settings. Now from here you need to look for your printer. So if you are connected to any printer, well, for sure you are. So if you're connected to that printer, simply locate that printer and then make a right click and then select set as default printer. And then setting this printer as default means Windows will stop managing your default printer. You just need to click on OK. And that's it. That will fix the issue for you. So again, do not forget to hit the like button and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.